One of the best ways to learn geology, in fact most subjects, is to construct a concept sketch. A concept sketch is a sketch annotated with complete sentences that describe the features, processes, and relationships between different aspects. For example, this concept sketch shows the features and processes that occur along mid-ocean ridges. Take a minute and examine this concept sketch. Note that this sketch only shows those features that are most important and can be done in a simple manner, even by people who do not consider themselves to be artistic. In concept sketches, it is the content that matters, not the perfection of the artwork. In fact, it is the process of creating a concept sketch that is so powerful to learning. So let's go through the steps. Let's say we want to construct a concept sketch for section 1.7a, shown here. The first step is to examine the main figure and notice the main aspects it shows, but we're not ready to sketch yet. After examining the figure, we read each of the associated text blocks, making sure we understand the key points conveyed by each block. We might highlight the key phrases, or better yet, start compiling a short list of key points. We do this for each text block, noting what feature on the figure is critical to illustrate this point. We are mentally filing this information away so that we can figure out what to draw and what to leave out. Once we have our list of key points and our mental list of what to draw, we're ready to go. In this sketch, we clearly need to show how the land drops in elevation from left to right. But we don't need much, if any, of the three-dimensional surface. Maybe just enough to show the glacier, a lake, and a river. We need to show the clouds, precipitation coming from the clouds, water running down the river, and evaporation from the sea. We can decide if we have room to show the ocean currents or to show evaporation from the river and lakes, but if not, we can remember these are also occurring. So let's do a simple sketch. The natural place to start is to draw the general shape of the front face. Let's add some water. For this sketch, I could actually show everything I need to on this front face. But let me show you how easy it is to add just a little bit of the Earth's surface. Draw the edges, and then draw the same shape again, offset a little bit to the right and a little bit up. Do the same for our water, for the sea. Give a shape to our lake. Here's a river. Let's draw a little arrow showing which way it's going. Another river. Tributaries coming into it. Little arrow to show which way the water's flowing. Draw a glacier. Kind of looks like a glacier. Clouds. Some rain. Nearly perfect. Now you're ready to describe in your own words what is going on in the sketch. Using your list of key points, write complete sentences adjacent to the sketch using leader lines to link the text with the relevant parts of the figure. To spare you the joy of watching me write, I'll just have the text I was going to write appear, like magic. We're done. Note how closely you had to interact with the material to construct a concept sketch. You had to read more carefully than you might have and study the figure to decide what was most important. Already, we're 2 steps ahead. You also had to make a list of key points, Put the information in your own words, and then link the text and the figure. By my count, that's 5 steps ahead. My colleagues and I have done careful research that shows that students who construct concept sketches learn more, remember more, can better use what they learn, and do better in classes compared to students who do not use concept sketches. But try it for yourself and see how much better you learn by simply constructing a concept sketch. Thanks for watching. Now go learn.